Why even try to justify leaving? Why not just run away? Why even wait and hesitate breathing? Why would you wanna stay? Nothing you say can change the way he feels. Nothing could save you now. So just let this go. Every collapse that came to pass faded out of your memory. All of the times he left you blind, jaded, down on your aching knees. Why won't you see the lies that he's telling? Why won't you give it up and just to let him go? Shot down with no sound to the cold ground below. On the side of the street you're on your feet, so take a step and calmly walk away. Your heart on a string without a wing flying, no one to hold the kite. He let you go, but still you blow by, oblivious to the height. Check out behind and you will find nothing's holding you to the ground. He just let you go. Shot down with no sound to the cold ground below. On the side of the street you're on your feet, so take a step and calmly walk away. Don't let him pull you down. Just let him drown alone. Be all land, and someday you will find a truer hand. I know you tried to see his side clearly. I know you gave your all. I know you died a little inside when nobody heard your call. Every mistake you come to make grows and echoes inside your brain. You need to let them go. Shot down with no sound to the cold ground below. On the side of the street you're on your feet, so take a step and calmly walk away. Yeah, shot down with no sound to the cold ground below. On the side of the street you're on your feet, so take a step and calmly walk away. Take a step and calmly walk away. There's something missing, this apparition where the light once shine. I know it's hollow, I guess we all know when it's time. With no emotion, a slow explosion with a flash of light. But I this attrition or just submission to the tide? These final moments, our last opponents are upon us now. But I can only see your face, and we are blinded by it all, and we are waiting for the faded word to fall. If we won't stay, we won't go. There is no road to follow. In the cold snow, in our wet clothes, we wave our white flag high. But I'm hearing no reply, and we are blinded by it all, and we are waiting for the faded word to fall. The faded word to fall. Saturday, I watched you fly away across the empty sky. I turned around and waved goodbye, and now it's me alone. It's just an empty home that's on an empty street, in a town that always sleeps, and a blind man in the darkness knows no difference. But I have grown accustomed to the colors that you bring. I check the dial